everyone, this is Lydia from Scranton Memorial Library, and today we are going to make fluffy slime. The things you're going to need are 2/3 of a cup of Elmer's glue. So the white Elmer's glue is fine, but slime glue is fine too. That's the clear glue. A 1/4 cup of water, about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of contact solution, shaving cream, and baking soda. Also, if you want your slime to be fun colors, you can use food coloring or liquid watercolors, whichever you like best. So to start out, you are going to pour the glue, and we're going to need a spoon for this. Let's grab a spoon really quick. Because you want to really make sure that you're getting all that glue out of the cup. You're going to mix your water in and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. You're going to mix it all together really well. Let's mix that all together until it's all combined. The next thing you're going to add is about 2 cups of shaving cream. So here's our first cup. We're going to fill up our second cup. And remember, you want to use the foam shaving cream because the gel shaving cream won't work. So we need foam shaving cream. I'm going to scrape that all out of there, and we're going to mix that up too. So this is the base of our slime. The contact solution is what's gonna bind the slime together to make it rubbery so that you can use it and play with it and not have it just be a big gloppy mess. So you're gonna start off slow. I usually say start off with 1 tablespoon and see how it goes. Put 1 tablespoon in there. And you're gonna start seeing that the mixture is gonna start to come together almost like what fluff looks like, or melted marshmallows. It's gonna start pulling off the sides of your container and wrapping around the spoon. But right now, it's still too goopy, right? So we wanna add maybe another tablespoon or so of contact solution. Mix, mix, mix until you get it to the right consistency. And the right consistency is really up to you. If you want it to be stickier or firmer, you're gonna add more contact solution. If it's too firm for you, you add more glue, okay? And the last part, which is the best part, is adding your colors. So you can do this a couple different ways. You can split it up into 3 sections and then color each section and then mix it together to make a swirl color. But I'm too lazy for that, so I just pour in whatever colors I want and mix them together just a little bit and hope that I kind of get that swirl effect. So here we go. Let's see how it works. We're doing purple and pink and a little bit of blue. We're gonna mix, mix, mix. If you overmix, it'll all become one color, which is fine too. And here we go. Here is our fluffy slime. So you can make this at home. It's really easy and really quick. It stays good for about a week in a locked container, except for that the foaminess of the slime is gonna go down after the first day. It'll be more like regular slime, but you can still use it. And yeah, so that's fluffy slime. I will see you guys next week for another fun experiment. Have a great day.